X-Transbot has revealed some images of its upcoming masterpiece scaled Misfire figure. In these photos, the robot mode does look very clean and a very impressive Generation 1 accurate design to boot. You will also receive an alternate head with this figure, which is always a nice touch to give a bit of variety. The alt mode does look very accurate and that blue cockpit does just pop. Underneath, however, it's a bit messy, but that's to be expected with these type of alt modes. Now, with that being said, will you be picking up this figure? Let me know in the comments as always.